Good day, dear market traders. My name is Chidi Ote, Chidi for short. Okay, today you are going to be trading with me. We're going to be doing trades on crypto. We're going to be doing trades on Forex. We're going to be doing trades on indices. But today, majorly, I'm going to just talk about Forex only. I'm going to give you 70% prediction assurance on the trades that we're going to talk about right now. Okay, I'm sure you want to grab a clue to what I'm about to say right now. This week, there's going to be a lot of making money, but you really have to know which trend you are going to follow, which vehicle you are going to enter to take you to the right destination. Okay, that's that. Now, I am very, very sure you are really interested. You want to know what I want to talk about, on which pairs I'm interested in, which pairs I'm going to talk about. Okay, now let's take a look at the board here. On Friday, okay, sorry, my YouTube name, let's just talk about my YouTube name is Trade with Chidi. Trade with Chidi, that's my YouTube name. All right, now on Friday, something happened. The US GDP was revised up from 3% to 3.3%. Previously, it was minus 0.5%, and it went up to 3%. And now, this month, just this Friday, it went up from 3% to 3.3%. That was a good jump. Okay, so, and because of that, we are going to look at the directions this market pair, these pairs, GBP USD, Euro USD, all the baskets that are paired with the US dollar, we're going to look at the direction that the pairs are going to go. Okay, now let's look at these pairs. The GBP USD has gone up to the point where you can sell it. The Euro USD have gone up to the point where you can sell it. The same thing with the AUD USD and the NZD USD. Now the USD card have gone down to the point where you can buy it. The same thing with the USD CHF, USD JPY, and then the gold have gone up to the point where you can sell it. Okay, so we are going to look at a definite direction for the next couple of 2-3 days, what is going to happen in the market. Okay, so I believe strongly from the technical analysis and from the fundamental analysis, which is going to give us a definite direction, that the GBP US is going to sell, the Euro USD is going to sell, the AUD USD is going to sell, the NZD USD will sell, the USD CAD, the USD CHF, USD JPY, both of them are going to give us a buy. If you enter these trades the way it's predicted, I believe you're going to come out. I have this 70% assurance that you're going to come out with something good. Okay, look at the gold. Gold is going to sell for the next couple of 2-3 days, as this week is going to open. All right, so that's that. That's the direction I'm looking at for this price. So after that prediction, we're just going to keep calm, keep our hands crossed, and see what is going to become of these pairs at the ending of the week. So, but for the beginning of this week, I believe strongly that we're going to have a direction from what I have given you. So now, with these little tips I've given you, I wish you all the best of luck. See you maybe next weekend. I'm going to look at the pairs again. I'm going to look generally at the markets, look into crypto, and maybe indices, and give us another live update. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your week of trading. That's it. Don't forget to hit the subscription button.